शत शत आघातों को सह सह कर जीवित हिंदुस्तान हमारा, जग के मस्तक पर रोली सा शोभित हिंदुस्तान हमारा. These words of Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji depicts our spirit, which can overcome any crisis. Being vocal for local is the pathway to being Atmanirbhar. The very first 100% eco-friendly battery is created by an Indian startup using aloe vera. Apparel industries facing great losses in the lockdown switched their production to PPE kits and scaled it from 0 to 800,000 kits per day. We have world's largest youth population, and at the same time, we are one of the oldest civilizations with a knowledge bank with 8,000 years of experience. This, coupled with modern technology, creates wonders. This makes India unique and is the reason why I believe that we indeed will become an economic superpower. Indigenous industries upheld and supported us during the lockdown by providing services, essential services to our doorstep, by announcing collateral-free loans for MSME and NBFC sectors with 100% government-backed guarantee, government sharing credit risk, and extending deadlines for real estate projects provided these industries necessary shield. Also, the limit for qualifying as MSME has been raised. Moreover, initiatives like Make in India provides ease of doing business. But still, these industries need support of each and every citizen. New and innovative ideas are emerging from every sector, supporting these startups by Make in India, educating youth through Skill India and making technology cheaply and easily available through Digital India boosts these local industries and creates new possibilities. Competitions such as Startup India Awards and Nishank the Toy Hackathon encourages youth to think out of the box, approach problem solving, and contributing bit by bit towards becoming Atmanirbhar. The next step in Vocal for Local is taking our local to global. In spite of having good products, to compete on global platform, I believe we need to harness our strengths by country branding with more focus on industries such as pharma, IT services, automobiles, telecom, nutrition, and handicrafts, because the world trusts us in these. The taste of our culture is craved around the world. India is known for giving yoga, meditation, and the concept of spiritual well-being. By drafting International Yoga Day in the UN and then it being celebrated so graciously, we are already gaining momentum in the right direction. We just need scaling up. This shows the world what we are as a country. We believe in keeping our roots intact and then aiming for the skies. In such critical times, when the nation is recovering, standing united, supporting each other, encouraging each other is the only option. I would like to end with the words of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Little pools of water tend to get stagnant and useless. But if they are pulled together to create a lake, it cools the atmosphere and there is universal benefit. With common endeavor, we can raise our country to new greatness. Thank you and Jai Hind.